Hey guys, I am jumping on here really quick because I have got a lot of work to do today out of the house. So I'm going to start some dinner so it'll be ready when we get back home. It's really easy. It has 2 ingredients. Actually 3 if you count the flour tortillas, I guess. Frozen chicken breasts and a jar of chunky salsa. So I'm going to get y'all down in this crock pot with me. I'm going to place 3 pretty good sized chicken breasts. These are really thin, but they're long. That one's about 8 inches long probably. This one's a little bit thicker. I'm going to put those guys in there. You know what? Let's just go ahead and put another one, because I like to have leftovers. I'm putting 4 decent sized chicken breast in there, and I'm gonna pour this chunky salsa all over the top of it. I'm gonna get my lid, put it over the top, and I'm gonna turn it on low for about 6 hours. And then dinner will be ready whenever I get back home. See y'all in a little bit. Alrighty. It smells good in my house. I love coming home to good smelling foods cooking. And I hadn't had to slave over the top of a stove all day. Okay, so here's what we're going to do. And I guess I should tell you how big that salsa was. That was a 24-ounce jar of salsa that I put on these big 4 large chicken breasts. So now they have been going, and those chicken breasts are frozen. They've been going for quite a while. Let's see, I've been gone. I put them on low. I have been gone for about 3.5 hours, and they are already cooked this much, so it doesn't really take them that long. So if you forget in the morning and you run home at lunch, you still have plenty of time to get these going. So what I'm doing now, I'm just shredding them. They are pretty much cooked all the way through, not quite. I can still feel they're, you know how they'll feel a little bit rubbery when they're still not quite cooked all the way through. But at least they're enough for me to be shredding them. So I'm just going to go through here and get these all shredded up, and that way they can cook even more. I will be back. I'm not 100% sure I told you what I was even cooking. Chicken soft tacos. They are so easy. You saw I just put frozen chicken breasts in my crock pot and covered it with salsa. So easy. So now all I have to do are these flour tortillas. I found these a while back. They are ready to cook. I had to do my math because I didn't want to do the extra work if it wasn't going to save me money. It saves you money. And they're delicious. So you just get your fire going. It has instructions right here. 3 easy steps. You preheat a non-stick ungreased pan, which I do mine on my iron skillet, my flat one, because it's easier to turn them over. You do it on medium-high heat. And then you place the tortillas in the pan. You cook them for 30 seconds, flip it over, do it 30 seconds, and then you flip it over and do it 20 seconds. And they're done. And then I stick them in my tortilla warmer. Keeps them nice and warm until we're ready to eat, which we're ready to eat. Those tacos are done. They smell delicious. So I'm going to get y'all down here so you can watch me do this. Hang on just a second. I have made flour tortillas myself. They are pretty easy to make. And if you're in a pinch, it is something that you can do. I'll make a video on that at some point, but we were going to be in a hurry. I'm tired. I've been out running around all day looking at houses. So, this is what we get. I gotta quit talking. I'm gonna burn them. Let me turn down a little bit more. Every stovetop is different. Let's see. Let's do one more. That's what it's also neat. These you can do as many as you want and just keep them in the refrigerator. I got these at Aldi. Alrighty, I'll be back. Okay, these tacos are going to be super juicy. I don't want to get rid of all of the juice, but I don't like them that soupy because then you have a huge mess when you're trying to eat your taco. So I like to get some of the meat out and strain it. And I have shredded all this chicken with a fork, 2 forks actually. I shredded it and then I cooked it for about 30 minutes longer so that all of those good juices could get all over the insides of the chicken. And that should be plenty for both of us. Well, let's do one more. I'm going to unplug this crock pot. Now see all the juices coming out down there? I just don't want that all in my tacos. So I squeeze some of this out of here. You don't have to do this, but it's going to be really juicy if you don't. That looks good. All right, let's get some tongs. So we can grab some of that out of there. A little bit of cheese. And that is so hot that cheese melts really quick. And I like a little dollop of some sour cream on mine. See if I can spread that out a little bit. There we go. Now, get y'all up here. You can put lettuce, tomatoes, pico de gallo, guacamole, anything you like on there. We are really hungry. My honey is home. He is out putting the chickens up right now. So I'm going to go ahead and fix him a plate. So it'll be ready for him when he gets in here. But y'all go make you some chicken soft tacos. Have a good evening. Bye.